Did somebody smell a touchdown coming? Aw, good D. Way to be over there, Frank. Oh!
Get smacked.
Man, I'm gonna slap you around harder than Logan Paul got dropped.
Yeah? Yeah? Like he dropped those 2 points, right?
Yeah, the problem though, Frank, I don't need cheap shots. Why did it say my Andrew Luck is 72? What the heck?
It does that for all the power-up cards. They're not actually that overall.
Every single one of these boys is power-ups, Frank. You know my Pack-a-Punch team.
You're gonna play me with Pack-a-Punch. Alright, well, I'm about to punch you in the mouth, boy. You about to lose.
Frank, we all know your hands are too slow to actually punch me in the mouth. I will tie my hands behind my back and I will headbutt you right in the bottom lip and knock you out.
We'll make it kickboxing so you at least have a chance. The Lions? You're using the Lions?
What do you have bad to say about Detroit? Go ahead.
Matt Stafford is not a elite quarterback. The greatest of all time. Look at that.
Oh, that's your team? You think I'm nervous about that? Surprise, boy! Guess what? You just walked right into a trap. I got a secret weapon on my team that I spent some coins on.
Alright, so I guess we're gonna play the simplest though, right? We're gonna play, you know,
I'll play however you want. Now, you see these uniforms, you know that they're fire. Hopefully you understand why I picked them now. Let's get it.
Here we go, let's go. You ain't got nothing, boy. You ain't got nothing. Nobody's using skills.
Who are them X Factors?
Bunch formation.
Who are them X Factors? Let me know. Oh, no! I forced it! Ah! Okay. That's how I always start these stupid games off.
Every single time. You tried it out route. You know what? When I go on offense, I might have to go Kyler Murray instead, dude. We might not even need the Lions. Heck, I might not even need an offensive possession.
You got one play, that's fine. That ain't happening again. Oh no! You gotta be freaking kidding me! He's cut! My wide receivers are killing me! That is not how this game was supposed to start. Boys, I was talking way too much trash in this game. Uh-oh. Y'all are kidding me. He got 2 freaking plays and 2 touchdowns!
Let's get it! 25 seconds.
Alright.
This is like Ray, you know what this is? This is like Ray Lewis turning the lights off and the Ravens winning the Super Bowl. That's what this is. That's what this is. This is a 4th timeout before you even take one.
Yeah, go keep talking. Let it all out while you're still winning, Frank. Ah, I actually wish you would switch that back. Oh crap! Wait a second. What was that, Frank? Come on, boy!
I honestly...
Girly! Let's go.
Alright. I'll give you that one.
I picked the ball. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I was gonna make that off. Girly. She's my team right now.
You'll see.
Why is my game lagging? What the heck?
Let's go!
My game's freaking lagging. What are you doing, Frank? Are you kidding me? Come on, bro. There you go. Rack that hill. That's a first down, too. Thank you. You're kind of making it up for me.
I hate to say it. You got a touchdown.
Dang, girl. Why didn't you tell me before so I could have threw it to him?
Because I ain't no girl.
Frank messed up, boy. Oh. Where them users at? There's Odell. Have a nice day. That's one for him. Yeah, one play thinks he's some tough stuff now. Nah, you ain't out. No more run game for Frank. Like, why are we being dumb? What are we being dumb for?
What'd you even do?
Lag, that's what I did. It's the only reason why you're scoring right now.
Excuses.
Oh, am I blitzing or am I not blitzing? That's your call to decide right now. Fake. Oh, that zig! Okay. I respect it. I ain't stopping that.
Yeah, knew it was coming. It's a good play call. Now I just gotta get this first. Oh, I
Keep lying to yourself, Frank. Play action. Who are you gonna throw it to? Ain't nobody open. Everything's locked.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Dang, that would have been a first down if he hits it.
How are we playing this game? We're gonna decide it right now. If you punt this ball, then we'll play it like that. But if you fake it or something, I'm not gonna forget. All right, we're playing real NFL rules right now,
I said from
boys.
the beginning that's how we're gonna.
Fair enough. You messed up, though, my dude. That's reek right there. That's reek right there. Wait. Oh, what the heck? Frank, I hate to break it to you, broski, but I might have to cut you right here.
Oh, that's a cutty. That's a
Oh my gosh, that's Odell! Swerved him! Oh, where did he come from?
I don't think he did anything.
Oh, y'all boys see this right now?
Oh,
I know you guys do. Oh, you can tell that I did that? And you can see that? That's trash. It's not gonna matter though! That's Odell! Hey, I up my run game and my end around game, Frank. You don't even know about it. I'm about to shut you up, boy. Because I'm super hot, boy. Boo! No way! This isn't real! Get out of here with taunting also. Like, you... You're gonna taunt in here like you deserve that. Okay.
You're in game 8. I had so many better options there.
That's just basics right there. Oh, guess who it is? It's Odell again. I want to heat this man up, Frank. I want to heat him up. Oh, wait, he is heated up.
I don't like this, actually. I just saw who's on him. This is not going to end well for me.
Oh, what do you mean? It's going to be great, dog. I don't know what you're talking about. Burned him. Oh, no. Man, why are you gonna leave Odell open like that, boy?
Because you only have 2 seconds left.
Fight! Okay, well, I'm looking at the clock, so cheese like this. Oh, good blitz. I had running back wide open. Oh, that's double coverage. You doubled him, bro? You're so messed up. You know what? Screw it. Psych! One-on-one. That's a tutty boy. That's a tutty boy. Fudge! Come on!
No, it ain't!
I thought I had this game in the bag once I came back with them 2 touchdowns, but so Frank just gets bailed out every time he plays me. That's the only way that he wins.
Oh, yeah? I get bailed out? Do you care?
No, I don't care. Oh, QB draw? I put in that work, boy.
We do some crazy stuff.
I'm trash. I'm trash. That's on me.
Man, you ain't got it, boy. You just ain't got it today.
Again, you're going to be silent whenever I get this next touchdown and tie this game up. Y'all got to be kidding me.
Little.
Come on!
Let's go.
You better get this pass off quick. That's all I got to say. Oh, my gosh. Y'all got to be great, Jalen. That's what I'm talking about, big boy. I thought you were going to let me stand up there. That would have been a terrible decision on your part.
I'd be in the money.
I can't believe you know that I'm actually doing that. Fudge.
It's an animation, dude. That's what it is.
I'm taking a chance. Let's go, Odell. Ah, he catches everything. Frank getting a little bit butthurt right now. I don't know if you guys sense that or not. Hitting with that. I can hit zig routes too, except I got Odell. How you doing? Yes! Thank you very much.
This actually sucks. This actually sucks.
Wait, Frank, hold on. Before you hug it, can you hear me? Like,
Yeah.
your ears are up to the your headset right now?
Yeah.
I had to. Oh, no. That's how we win. We blow our opponent's eardrums out. Oh, good sack. Wow. I had the screen pass, too. I gotta buy myself some time here.
Test it all you want, boy.
One-on-one. Odell's getting up to that. Let's go. He's so freaking good. Give me the ball. Give it to me. Holy moly. He is just going off right now. And there's nothing you can do about it. What are you triple teamed him. Oh, unreal. No.
The triple beam. Shabang. Kaboom.
So ready for a run here. Whoa, you almost went through me. Wow, this is a good game, Frank. 2-minute warning, or are you calling a play?
Always easy.
Oh, I was not ready for that. I was not ready for that. I'll admit. Yo, we got to tackle him now. Hey, I don't think we got that.
I don't know.
Did somebody smell a touchdown coming? Aw, good D. Way to be over there, Frank. Oh! Oh, that was so good!
That sucks. Double freaking hit. That sucks. I could not have played that better.
This one fielded at the 5.
Get ran over.
Get ran over,
You
little
gotta be
boy.
freaking kidding me. This game is fake. That's why I don't do kickoffs anymore. Play it up, play it up. Gotta be a run, no? Try it, Frank. We want you to. That was risky.
I mean, it's an incomplete pass.
Oh, I know, but I'm saying whenever I 3 and out you, or 4 and out you right here, you're probably gonna need him.
What's that?
Not a good play.
What's that, little boy?
That's killing me. I gotta be over that. Be real here, big dog. These 10 yards, gonna be the hardest 10 yards you'll ever try to get. All over. I'm on my own QB spy out here. That's gonna be a fumble. Game pretty much on the line. He still does have his 3 timeouts. We are gonna have to pick up a first down if anything else. But come on, cannot give this up. Be great. Good plan. Let's go, champ! End that for me. See ya. Game over. Come on, ain't catching me either. Let's go. Oh, what are you doing, Frank? Dang, I had him too. How'd you get a safety right there?
I record my last minute, and you can probably look at those.
I'm just gonna dash for it. I'm done with this stupid game. It's gonna give you a win for it too, watch. Frank, I'll admit, that was actually a good game. Thanks for coming on, boss.
No problem, man. But a 14-point comeback because you can only throw to Odell, but, you know.
Boys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up there. The Odell, holy moly. He was 100 times more insane than I thought he was gonna be. We put a little bit of coins into him. If you want to get him, just go ahead, do that set. It's probably gonna cost you maybe around 200K or so to get him. If you power him up, put an X factor on him. This dude is mad. Y'all seen him. You see what he's all about. Real deal. That was fun. Drop a like for the new Odell card that's out. At this point, it's probably not even that new, but it's still insane though. And we'll see you guys all on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like. I already said that. I just want my likes. Sorry. With that said, you already know, it's your boy Pizza, along with Frank the Tank. And until next time, you already know you're the best. God bless. Don't forget to keep it first. And we'll see you all later. Deuces.